Hi guys and girls on YouTube, just a really quick one here. So here we're talking TV with built-in DVD. So I've got this in for repair. The customer says the DVD mechanism doesn't work. Now I've had it all in bits. There's a cog or something broke, it's all jammed up. Now you can actually just replace these. There is a number on the top here. But actually getting the right one is virtually impossible because there's just so many different variants, it's unreal. So I've got piles of these mechanisms I've saved out of DVD TVs, and if we look, the last three numbers there are important. So that's an 039, this is another one, a 009, that's an 035. So you see where I'm coming from. Getting the right one is virtually impossible, and if it's got a different number on, it ain't going to plug in because there's something different about it, a different software. So if we look at them too, these have actually got a different board fitted on. If it's got the same board, you might find it's got the wrong software and it comes with a different manufacturer's logo name. So I'm going to show you what I do. Now I can't guarantee this will work for everybody, but it's just a little bit of food for thought here. So I've just pulled out a couple of completely different ones just to show you. That's an 039 and that one is an 030. If we turn them over, you can see there's a different board fitted. So they're definitely not interchangeable. But what I think this number here, DL-10HJ, and if you look at that, that's got this DL-10HJ. I think that refers to the actual mechanism itself, and these other numbers I think relate to the software or what board's fitted. So let me show you a little trick I've discovered. So the one I'm trying to repair in the customers here, this is DL10HJ MA056, which is completely different to these other two. So what you do is you look underneath, you locate the screws holding this board on. In this case we've only got three. You unplug those, undo these screws. And very gently you pull that, you find it actually plugs in on the socket there. This is one I've already disassembled. This is the customer's old one. So all you do now is, now you've got your board out, is just put your original board back onto a different mechanism, which is what I've done in this case here. This mechanism here actually had this board fitted, and now it's got a bigger board fitted, and it works absolutely fine. So that's my take on this. Them numbers there are the mechanism, which means that if you've got a different number here, all you need to do is swap that board over that unplugs. And on this one here, you can see how long it is. There's a screw there and a screw there, whereas on this one here, that's plugged in. But if you look down here, there's a space there where your bigger board screws in. So that does tend to indicate that all these mechanisms are the same, they just have a different board plugged in, as long as you match up the DL10HJ number. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, I hope you found that useful. I'll catch you in the next video then. Goodbye.